This is a brad nailer, and traditionally it's used for driving nails into wood. But today we're going to find out how many layers of PLA does it take to stop this brad nailer. The brad nailer gets loaded with these 2-inch brad nails, and the depth of the nail is controlled by the gauge on the back here. All the way to the right is the negative symbol, that's the least amount of power, and all the way to the left, then we're at the positive end, and that's the most power. We're going to start off at the least power and see how many layers it takes to stop one of these nails. Just to give you an idea, here it is through my desk. Here's a view of the top side, and here's a view of the bottom. I've got multiple test pieces ranging from 1 millimeter at the top left all the way to 32 millimeters on the bottom right. Let's drive some nails through these and see if any of them stop it. Clearly 1 through 4 are not going to cut it. Let's move on to the next one. Five, 6, 7, and 8 millimeters have caught the nail, but haven't completely stopped it. I want to go until the nail doesn't come through the other end. Had a bit of a weird one on number 10. The nail bounced off and I found it looking like this on my desk later on, but the other ones all went through, so we'll keep moving to the thicker pieces. And here's our first successful complete stop of the nail at 13 millimeters. We're going to go ahead and drive a nail through the 14, 15, and 16 just for good measure. And we can see that none of those 4 nails made it all the way through. Now we're going to shift the power dial all the way to the positive end and move on to the next block and see if we can get through those. Even at full power, we're not able to get through these 17, 18, 19, 20 block. These are all printed with 100% infill, and the filament I used will be in the description. I'll see you in the next one.